Load your family into the 2015 Toyota RAV4. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.